Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix f78n error on Miele dishwasher. So guys, first turn off the dishwasher and connect it from power for at least 5 to 10 minutes to reset the electronics. After that, just simply check for blockages, remove the bottom spray arm and filters, and inspect the filter area and sump for food debris or foreign objects that are blocking the water flow. Another one is you could clean the pump area. So clear out with water and build up and make sure if there are no any jams. And another one is inspect the drain hose and air gap. Make sure the drain hose is not clogged and the air gap should be clear. And after that, just simply reconnect the power and run a rinse cycle. And if the error clears, the blockage will likely the cause. And now guys, if any of these doesn't work, just simply contact Miele support or a qualified technician for this to be fixed. Thanks for watching.